Today, I'm going to have to explain to you one of the hardest things I've ever had to do, and to explain to you that we lost someone that's near and dear to me, my best friend, my homie, but more importantly, a husband and a father. Frederick J. Woodfin passed away in his home in Riverside, California. I ask that you keep his family in your thoughts and prayers. He has a daughter, Justine, and a son, Jackson, and a beautiful wife, Michelle. But I also want you to take the time to say thank you to Jay, because Jay literally put the Avengers of Credit Repair team together, which consisted of me, Jay, John, and Dom. Jay didn't need money. He didn't do it because he needed clout. He literally did it because he knew he wanted to help people, and we wanted to do it the right way. Jay devoted so much of his time in life to helping people every day, to being unselfish, taking time from his family. But his family always came first. I'm going to tell you that right now. I knew that. I've always been a firm believer that people come into your life for a reason, and there are very few people that can make a huge impact on your life, but Jay was one of those for me. So I want to say thank you for everything, bro. I love you, and rest in peace.